Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video with myself, Angel Martinez, where I bring you value in all things content creation to empower you to get out there and create content because you have a gift to share and the world needs to hear it. In this video, we are going to be talking about an app that will make your video production so much easier. If you are an entrepreneur, which you most likely are if you're watching this video, and you're looking to create professional looking videos without breaking the bank, then you need to check out the Teleprompter for Video app. For the longest time, I avoided using a teleprompter because I thought my videos were going to look and feel scripted. But I absolutely needed a solution to shoot my long form video. And if you're anything like me, my messages are usually pretty long and are very difficult to shoot all the way through concisely. I was wasting a heck of a lot more time trying to remember what I was going to say, and then having to then delete my video, having to get up and re-record and feeling frustrated, having to then edit all of my mess ups in post-production. It was a complete nightmare and a complete waste of time just trying to shoot one single video. And when I started using a teleprompter, it was a complete game changer. I felt like I could finally shoot all the videos that I've been yearning to share. In fact, this video right now is being filmed using my iPhone 14 Pro with this teleprompter app. And I bet that you couldn't even tell. Admit it, you could not tell. So now that I've spilled the beans, you can pay attention and notice that it still looks and feels natural. The key feature of this app is that you can read this from a script while recording your video. And because the text stays on the side of the camera, it makes it look like you're maintaining eye contact with your viewers. And if you stay tuned to my next video, I'll give you my top tips to make your videos appear more natural and avoid eye movements that give it away. And this is the key to making these videos effective, is making them still sound and feel natural. So let's dive into some of the features of this app. Number one, you can record videos both in landscape or in portrait mode, which makes it nice because you can also shoot shorter videos in portrait mode for Instagram Reels or TikTok or your YouTube Shorts, because everything is now vertical. Please, let's make horizontal video great again. Can we do that, please? Number two, this app includes a simple to use teleprompter that lets you control the scrolling speed, adjust the font size, and this is the best part. You can use voice assisted scrolling to sound more natural when you're presenting. And this is the only app that allows for these features, all in the free version. A lot of apps don't even have the capability to keep the text over on the side of the camera, which is the game changer. And the last thing I want to mention about this app is the post-editing capabilities. You can resize your video for different formats on social media. You can replace the background if you wanted to use a green screen. You can add captions to your video. FYI, they're not the greatest looking captions, but they still get the job done. Now, the only kicker here is that in order to increase the character limit for your scripts, in case you were doing a longer video, you would need to upgrade the app, which costs you at the time of this video $11.99, $12. It's not a big purchase. And if you wanted to purchase the full premium version, which at the time of this video is $18.99, it gives you access to royalty-free music, which I can't vouch for the music because I don't know what kind of music they have access to. But also you can add your logo to the video. Again, I don't think that is necessary because you are able to easily add in your logo and using apps like Canva or your social media editor for free. So the real value in upgrading is the longer character count, which if you're like me, I have long messages to share and my character count is usually pretty high. The limit on the free version was under 1,000 characters and that just wasn't going to work. But again, this is such a cheap option for something that is extremely valuable, which is sharing your message. So if you're someone who wants to shoot long form video, this app makes it super affordable to be able to do so. My actual teleprompter setup, which requires 2 tripods, my camera, all right, full on camera, and the teleprompter we're already sitting over a few $1,000s. And this way, you don't have to invest into any fancy equipment other than maybe a light, maybe a fancy light behind you, and a mobile tripod. And you can do all of this right from your phone. And here's the biggest value from all of this. Time is money. And while it may seem like it's going to take you longer because you have to plan and then write out your script, I'm telling you from experience, it saves you so much time. And to add to that, it really helps build your confidence with shooting long form video or even just speaking to the camera. I used to try and shoot my videos without a teleprompter, and I know how discouraging it is to shoot video because you keep messing up and then you're having to start over and over and over again. And the next thing you know, you're completely frustrated and you're stressed out, leaving you to hate shooting video and never trying it again. Shooting video without a teleprompter is definitely a path for some. I know myself, I am definitely not that talented, and I know the majority of others fall in the same boat. There you have it, my friends. The Teleprompter for Video app is a complete game changer, and it is an excellent tool for entrepreneurs like yourself who want to start sharing their message and sharing your gifts with the world. And I know that if you're still watching this video, that it is imperative that you do so, and you get to do this all still right from your phone, and your videos will look amazing. So head on over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download this one ASAP. Also, make sure to stick around on this channel because I'll be sharing another video where I share with you my tips to make your videos feel more natural when using a teleprompter. And also, if you want a deeper dive into how to use this app, I also show you a tutorial where I break it down completely so that you can get started right away and start speaking your voice. There you have it, my friends. I hope you found value from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.